5-minute English learning hacks you won't believe.
I used to think that learning a new language required hours of study, but then I discovered these incredible hacks that made English learning fun and efficient. Let me share them with you. These quick tips will help you boost your vocabulary, pronunciation, and confidence in just 5 minutes a day. Let's get started. Hack number 1, the word of the day. Choose a new English word each day. Write it down, learn its meaning, and use it in 3 sentences. This simple practice can expand your vocabulary rapidly. You can use apps or websites that send you a new word daily. Trust me, you'll be surprised at how quickly you'll remember them. Hack number 2, listen and repeat. Find a short audio clip or video in English. It could be a scene from your favorite movie or a short podcast. Listen closely, then pause and repeat what you hear. This technique is fantastic for improving your pronunciation and intonation. Plus, it's a fun way to practice speaking. Hack number 3, label your environment. Grab some sticky notes and label common items around your house in English, like door, fridge, and window. This constant exposure will help reinforce your vocabulary. Every time you see these items, you'll remember their English names. Hack number 4, use flashcards. Flashcards are an effective way to memorize vocabulary. You can create your own or use apps like Anki or Quizlet. Spend just 5 minutes a day reviewing them. The spaced repetition method helps with long-term retention, making this a super efficient way to learn. Hack number 5, speak to yourself. It might sound a bit silly, but talking to yourself in English can work wonders. Describe your actions, thoughts, or even your plans for the day. This practice enhances fluency and helps you think in English. So, don't be shy, give it a try. Those are our 5-minute English learning hacks. Try incorporating these into your daily routine, and you'll notice improvements in no time. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tips, and let us know in the comments which hack you're excited to try.